Barbecue, barbecue.
Okay, it's a minute to win it. In 1 minute, we will give you an opportunity to shoot and put one ball in one of the pots, and you win a grocery package. Palakpakan! Ay, nakatuwa-tuwa yung Pilipino na pinakaluwin-iwanan ng mga. Alright, who's the first contestant? Alright, let's do it!
Ladies and gentlemen, at this point, we will call it the Vistaland. Peace, Arden, and Haren. For some raffle draw and prizes. At the young of renovations of Pinoy. Enjoy po ba ang lahat? For sure tuwang-tuwa ang organizers. So any message from our organizers?
Second time. Palakpakan natin sila. Cebu City. Their flags, their parking lot, our very own Mr. Romero Gonzalez.
In behalf of Cebu City and the Cebu City management, we would like to thank you for joining us here for the second year of Days of the Philippines here at Cebu City Calgary. And we wish you to enjoy this day para sa inyo pong lahat ito. Maraming salamat po. And also, I'd like to introduce the chairman of the Days of the Philippines.
Thank you so much to everybody that attended today. Today po, dalawang araw pa ng araw. Meron pa
Palamig tayo.
Thank you so much.
Gulaman po.
Oh, kulihan rin yun.
Ito daw, be. Ilan, kuya? Dalawa?
Salang daw.
Salang daw. Ticket! Ticket, please.
Thank you so much to all the volunteers.
3 po? 3 lang. 3 lang po. Or 5. Ito po yung pambayad.
Magkano ba?
$1 is ticket. 5 na po. Babayad mo po yung bilang po.
Isa pa, isa pa.
Bilhin na po. Ano sa inyo, ma'am? May isisig po tayo. Beef caldereta. 5 lang po.
Sige po, isa.
Isa.
Please buy our merchandise.
Bistek. Bistek Tagalog.
Sisi, may bopis kami. Ito pa. Pares po, pares. Andito po yung kumuha niyan. Pares, pansit. 10 po. May kami ng kanin. 7 na lang po. 6 na lang po. Gagawin kong halagang $6. Ikaw,
Guys, thank you so much talaga. Yan. And of course, ang ating, ano niyo po, wala ito po ang ano, sinala po very key person. Si Evelyn po.
thank you.
Wala po tayong program. Wala si Evelyn, wala po tayong set, wala po tayong
Rice bowl. Rice bowl. Kung ano pong ano ulam.
Thank you so much. Ron, thank you so much. Alright. Bong is the security person. Nandiyan po si Bong.
Apat.
Yan. At, syempre,
Kaya mo kanin, me?
of course, Chambers Canada is here because wala po na kanila kayo sa inyo.
Thank you.
Sa inyo. Hi, Chambers Canada. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Yan po. So, we're covered. And, syempre, ang program po, hindi po maganda pag wala ang sound system. Sound system po natin. 7 stars. Thank you so much.
So, technical director, of course, Brian Ambang. Thank you.
Alright. Tuloy na tayo.
Ano ko? Quick.
And, of course, wala po sila naman.
Dali.
Ang ating
For your support and and of course, Tito Lu is also a sponsor for this year's Taste of the Philippines. Congratulations and thank you very much. And of course, we would like to thank the Surgeon of APCSI Security for giving us their effort, ensuring the safety of our program for today's celebration of Days of the Philippines. A special announcement, everyone. May we call in the attention of the owner of C with plate number for CFX 8234. Your presence is needed. Yes. So at this moment, guys, I hope you had so much fun. May we call in the organizers of this year's Taste of the Philippines to be here on stage, please. Yes, for our last raffle draw from Pacific Restaurant, meron pa po tayong prize na 58 inches TV courtesy of Pacific Restaurant. Kung bumili po kayo ng food kanina, nakapag-register po kayo for sure. So where are the organizers, please, of the Taste of the Philippines 2024? Please be here on stage, please.
Put it on the camera for now.
Alright, that's where we're waiting. Volunteers, all the organizers of this. The Evelyn is here already. I can see me in Festival number 30, Ama. And of course, the Blue. Please be your on stage. I see you, Ron. Sir Gonzalez. Thank you very much for the community. Sarah